Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the SD card from a GoPro Max. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the GoPro Max and you're looking to actually go ahead and remove the SD card from it. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is grab your GoPro Max, go ahead and slide this portion down, and then go ahead and push it down more. Go ahead and flip it open. And then you're going to see your SD card right over here. In order to remove it, you've actually just got to press it down until you hear it click. So there's the click, and then go ahead and remove it with your fingers. And you've now gone ahead and removed the SD card. And then to simply place it back in, just remember that the front portion of your SD card faces where the screen is. It's the same direction. And then wait until you hear it click again. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove the SD card from your GoPro Max. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.